Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Juwita Sulasrina Lalindu with name 442,420,017. In this video, I will explain about alumina extraction format. Objective: study the extraction of metal oxides from mud and characteristic compound produced by FTIR. Literature review: clay is one of the types of clay which is brownish white in color and has a relative low hardness. Mineral materials such as sand, dust, and clay, the composition of the soil are important for various life on Earth. Red mud is western material from the bauxite processed in aluminium product. Globally, there is approximately 70 million tons of red mud produced annually. Next method: experimentals, beaker glass, measuring cup, watch glass, glass panel, spatula, glass stirrer, Erlenmeyer, reagent bottle, drop pipette, mortar and pestle, analytical balance, magnetic stirrer, oven and foam hood. Experimental materials: number 1, red mud, next aqueous filter paper, universal pH indicator paper, chloric acid, and KOH. Experimental workshop. Method 1. Start carefully. Take 2.5 grams of calcined red mud and place it in 50 ml beaker glass at 25 of 2 molar KOH solution, stirring with a stirring rod for 30 minutes. Separate the precipitate using filter paper, then transfer the filtrate into a 50 ml beaker glass. Next, break red solution. Next, adding 1 mHCl to pH 8, heating the solution dehydrate, but with a temperature of 7 degrees centigrade. Cool the solution to room temperature and separate the precipitate that forms. Next, weighing filter paper using analytical balance. Next, weight of precipitate 1.0466 grams. Finish. Next, method 2. Start. Take 2.5 grams of calcined red soil that has been classified and put in a 50 ml beaker glass. Then add 25 ml of 1 ml HCl solution. Cover the beaker glass with a watch glass stirrer. Heat the solution with a magnetic stirrer for 30 minutes in the foam hood. Next, yellow with clear solution filtrate. Next, add 5 ml 1 m NaOH to pH 30. Use universal pH indicator. Next, separate the precipitate. Filter paper. Next, wash the precipitate with distilled water until the pH of the water is neutral. Next, yellow precipitate. Finish. This is result and discuss. Number one result, next page discuss. Aluminium is obtained from alumina ore, which are found as bauxite mine containing the main content of aluminum oxide. In this experiment, red mud was used to extraction alumina in the sample. The red mud used was taken from North Bulango, Bone Bolango, Regency, Gorontalo, 901801 Indonesian. In practicum, alumina extraction from sludge is not that alumina can be obtained from by extraction. There are two methods to get alumina is by extraction using KOH and extraction using HCl. In method 1, addition of HCl before stirred using magnetic stirred and then add KOH. In the method 1 experiment, 2.5 grams of the calcinite sample was then put in the beaker and added 25 ml of 2 m KOH is for chemical activation so that it can open the pores of the mud and remove impurities. In this dissolution process, the clay sample cannot completely dissolve in KOH, and after the filtering process, the filtrate is obtained in the form of a brown-yellow solution, and the residue is a brick red precipitate. Next, after that, add 2 mHCl to pH 8. The addition of HCl to lower pH again. This is also part of chemical activation using acid compound. The process of adding HCl caused the color of the filtrate solution to be ivory white, and turbid and small precipitate was formed with the following reaction. After that, heating the solution at temperature 7 degrees centigrade until a precipitate is formed. The sample has a constant after heating process with an average weight 1.0466 gram. Next, then enter method 2 same as the step in method 1, but the addition of solution using 2 ml HCl as much 25 ml as shown in figure 4. Stirring the solution with a stirring rod while heated in the solution will form a precipitate. Then filter the solution and transfer the filter to an aluminium. The sample filtered is yellow. Next, after adding the KOH, solution become orange. After heating, filtering the precipitate format then washing until the pH temperature to a contained weight. The weight method 1 is 0.0519 gram and the weight of constant method 2 is 0.0588